cannot open your Outlook emails because the OST file is inaccessible, encrypted, or linked to a deleted email account. This usually happens when the Exchange or IMAP account is no longer available. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an OST file to PST using Stellar Converter for OST. The tool converts orphaned OST files to PST with 100% precision, including emails, attachments, contacts, and calendars. First, download Stellar Converter for OST from the official site. After downloading, just open the file to install the software. Install it just like any other app. Leave the default settings and keep clicking Next until it's finished. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to launch the software. When the software opens, the file selection screen appears automatically. If Outlook profiles exist on your system, use Profile List to detect them automatically. Otherwise, select Choose Mailbox manually to locate the OST file yourself. If you know the file location, just click Browse, select the OST file, and open it. If you're not sure where the file is, use the Find option to locate it automatically. As you can see, the software detects all the OST files on your PC. But since I already know the file location, I've selected it manually. After selecting the OST file, just click Convert. Now, the tool will start scanning your OST file and preparing it for conversion. This may take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. Once the process is complete, you'll see a message saying selected file has been converted. Click Save Converted File to save the PST file. Before we save it, let's quickly check the recovered data. On the left-hand side, you can preview all mailbox items, including mail, calendar, contacts, tasks, notes, and journal. As you can see, all my data is now accessible. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Save Converted File in the top left corner. Now choose the output format. I'll keep PST selected, but you can also save the data in PDF, HTML, MSG, or EML formats if needed. Then, click Next. Now choose a location where you want to save the PST file. I'll keep the default location. Then, click OK to start the export. The software now starts saving the PST file. This may take a few moments depending on the data size. And that's it. The confirmation message shows where the PST file has been saved. When I open that folder, you can see the converted PST file right here. Finally, let's open this PST file in Outlook. First, open the Start menu and search for Outlook. Then open Outlook Classic, not the new Outlook app. Once Outlook opens, click File in the top left corner. Then click Open and Export, and select Open Outlook Data File. Now browse to the location where you saved the converted PST file, select it, and click OK. Once the PST file is loaded, you'll see all your emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments in Outlook. Everything is now accessible and ready to use. Stellar Converter for OST makes it simple and reliable to convert inaccessible or orphaned OST files to PST. You can find the official product link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.